$4.127 in 19 days using Claude AI to generate 2-hour Minecraft lore videos. This channel made $4.127 in 19 days uploading long-form Minecraft lore videos, and the entire script for a 2-hour video was generated in 8 minutes using Claude AI. I'm going to show you the exact workflow, the prompts, and why these videos earn $40 plus per thousand views when most YouTube content gets $3 to $8. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Claude AI's projects feature to generate coherent scripts for 2 to 3 hour gaming lore videos, the exact prompt structure that keeps narratives consistent across ultra-long form content, and how to turn those scripts into simple slideshow videos using AI-generated images. This isn't a push-button money printer. You'll need to spend time setting up the prompt framework correctly, and you'll need basic video editing skills. But if you're willing to put in 6-8 hours per video, this method works because gaming audiences actually watch 2+ hour lore deep dives, and advertisers pay premium rates for that watch time. Step 1. Understanding why this works. Let's start with why this even makes money, because understanding the economics changes how you approach it. Most YouTube content gets an RPM between $3 and $8. Gaming content specifically usually sits around $4 to $6. But here's what most people miss. YouTube's algorithm doesn't just reward clicks, it rewards watch time. When someone watches a 2-hour video for even 30 minutes, that's 30 minutes of ad inventory. Multiple mid-roll ads. Higher engagement signals. The gaming lore niche, specifically Minecraft, Elden Ring, Zelda, Dark Souls, has audiences that actively seek out long-form deep dives. They put these videos on while playing, before bed, during commutes. A 2-hour Minecraft lore video about the Ender Dragon's origin story isn't competing with MrBeast. It's competing with other lore channels, and most of them are pumping out 8-12-minute videos because they think longer is harder. It's not harder anymore. That's what this method fixes. Step 2. Setting up Claude AI projects. Here's where we actually build this. You need Claude AI, specifically the Pro version, which I'll explain why in a minute. The free version has message limits that'll stop you halfway through a long script. Go to Claude AI and look for projects in the left sidebar. Click Create Project and name it something like Minecraft Lore Scripts. The projects feature is the secret here. It lets you upload custom instructions and reference documents that Claude remembers across every conversation in that project. This is how you maintain narrative consistency across a 12,000 word script. Here's what you upload to the project knowledge base. First document, your style guide. Create a simple text file with these instructions. Style guidelines, write in second person, present tense for immersion, dramatic but not cheesy, explain game mechanics when relevant to lore. Each section should be 1,200 words. End each section with a transition hook. Second document, Minecraft Lore Foundation. Go to the Minecraft wiki, copy the canonical information about the topic you're covering, let's say the Ender Dragon. Paste the factual wiki content into a document. This keeps Claude grounded in actual game lore instead of making things up. Upload both documents to your Claude project. Now every conversation in this project will reference these guidelines automatically. Step 3. The exact prompt structure. This is the most important part. Here's the exact prompt I use. You are a gaming lore expert creating a comprehensive video script about. Using the style guidelines and lore foundation provided in this project, generate a complete 12,000 word script structured as follows. Act 1. The mystery. Open with the player's first encounter with, establish the central questions, present the surface level game mechanics. Act 2, the deep lore, explore hidden details in the game, connect environmental storytelling elements, analyze item descriptions. structures, and game files, present community theories with evidence ACT3, the complete picture, synthesize all evidence into a coherent narrative, address contradictions, explain what the developers intended, end with unanswered questions for future videos for each section. 1. Write the narration script. 2. After every 200 words, add for visual reference. 3. Mark natural pause points with 4. Flag sections that need gameplay footage with begin with Act 1. Here's what happens. Claude generates Act 1 in about 2-3 minutes. It'll be roughly 3,000 words with image prompts embedded throughout. When it finishes, you just prompt, continue with Act 2. Then, continue with Act 3. The project's feature means it